what it looks like. Can you touch it? How hot is it?
It's not warm anymore, it's cold.
Cold? Okay, how straight is it? Well, you look at it from the other way.
Fairly straight.
Look at it from the other way. Look at it this way.
What do you mean?
It's bent.
It's still bent a little bit.
It's still bent. We're going to have to fix that. Let me see it. Yeah, it's still got a bit of a bend to it. We'll see if we can straighten that out.
Okay.
Okay, Onyx, can you unplug the welder and plug in the wire brush?
How is it still running when... because it's a fan.
And don't get too close to the welds, they're ugly.
You can see them a little.
You got a new rod for me?
Yeah.
Okay, was it still on the right setting? Onyx? What did it say?
35. Go to 90.
Is it on 90?
Yep. 89.
Okay, flip it up.
That's 90.
It's too short and I can't reach.
I got this ready.
We're probably not going to need that, hopefully. We're not in the garage. Are you guys ready?
Yep. Booger welds?
Yep. Oh, hey, can you get my cord out of there, please? Over here. That or chicken poop. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, here I go again. Maybe. Hey, let's get a new rod. Hang on.
I already got him one.
Okay, hang on, let me clean this up. Yeah, rods where the flux ball comes off the end and then all of a sudden you can't hold it anymore. Try again. Cover up.
Okay, I have to lift him. No, I just have to.
Turn that up a little bit.
I turned it up to like 95.
That's right.
These things are like pencil lead because they go down like pencil lead.
Okay. Cover up.
Yep. Okay, so now we are welding. Now we are grinding off all the boogers from the weld.
And then you put this tire back on, and then we'll take that tire off. Macy's still working on her knife. Got her using a file. It's not all just power tools. It's good for her. Although I don't think she's going to do any more after this. This is probably her last one. Huh, Macy? Smiling. Alright, so the other big purchase. Drive shaft. I went with Tom Wood's drive shafts. Here's our Tom Wood's drive shaft with no SYE. You just go on their website, put in the measurements, U-joints, size, and they ship you a new drive shaft in about 2 or 3 days. Pretty fast, excellent quality, great shipping, been doing it for decades. Remember going to the library? Remember the library? I used to go to the library and read hot rod magazines, read about Tom Woods. They've been doing it forever. Do a good job. All right, also got the brake lines in, and the axle is fully welded in, so we can go drive it.
What you doing?
For our new drive shaft and axle. Alright, so Macy can do it. Let's see if Maddox, the little brother, can do it. Let's get that thing picked up and stuck on the workbench. Here he goes! Oh, like it's nothing! Alright, good job!
Actually not that heavy. Want me to try?
I haven't been able to do this, so it's... I don't like this tool.
Give Maddox a shot before I try it.
Ow!
Yep, give Maddox a shot before I try it.
What do you do?
I pinched my finger, my hand.
That happens.
I just need better grip. I got it.
Almost.
Oh, you made a spark.
Almost.
I made a spark?
Almost.
Yeah,
It's
you
almost
did.
off. You almost got it. Oh, look at
That's not fair.
Good job, buddy. Okay, put that where we're not going to lose it. Over in the tray. Good job. Gently, gently. Okay, now hold still right there. We need to look at how this comes apart and remember how to put it back together. Okay, hang on. Yeah, see those little chunks you feel? Yeah. That bearing needs to be replaced. So when you go fast, those little chunks go. That's the noise.
That's what we've been hearing.
That's what you hear. That's part of what you hear.
Oh.
So
Besides
that
the
part of what you hear too is this chain.
That's fun.
See that chain?
I see.
This chain will make noise in low range.
It's fun.
Yeah. Do you feel what I'm talking about?
No.
Don't you feel like those little tiny bumps?
Yeah.
Okay, those bumps tell me that bearing needs replaced. And so Maddox, look at this. See that right there? That has different color?
Yeah.
Called a master link. Someone put that in. That chain's been replaced. Okay, so this bearing needs to come out.
Why do you get so close to him, Mom? I'm getting close.
Wait. That's what I always tell Macy. Not so close.
I know Macy's just like, wait a minute. Really? Is that simple?
Can be. Go ahead and try it. It's not going to come out. I'm not done yet. You're being impatient.
I'm always impatient.
I
What
know.
else is there?
Oh, hey guys.
That's what that little switchy thing is.
Look at my beautiful knives.
Okay, so now Maddox, once we get it loose,
It's getting way better.
we don't want to hit it once like this. We don't want to hit it very hard because we can you break the casting. Okay. So what we're doing now is we're just getting it right where we need it. Use that punch, aluminum punch. Thanks. Now save that. We're gonna need it. We're gonna use that to get the numbers we need.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, let's see.
Do you not feel that? Like it kinks every once in a while.
Sure.
Like stops. Feels like there's
Yeah.
something like clumpy in there.
That means the bearing's bad.
I can hear it.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to rebuild this, because I could feel that and hear it when I was playing with it. When I stuck it in neutral. So now I don't see any. Sometimes those numbers on here. I don't see any. But a lot of times you can read the numbers, or you can take this in with some dial calipers and measure all the dimensions, and pick out the new bearing. Okay.
Okay, man, it's your turn.
All right.
Yippee.
So put that back.
I get to use the impact gun.
So what size do we need? What's this?
Pretty sure.
And I'm covered in dirt.
Let me see. No, it's a 15.
Rice
13.
and stuff.
You save those.
Yep.
Put it on together with the roll.
Exactly. Put them together. Good job.
That one doesn't have one.
That might not. That's what I said. So that's another indication this thing's been rebuilt. If it's missing things like washers and stuff, someone's had this apart.
This one's also missing one. Oh, that's dirty.
Yep.
Could use a chisel. Use it to choke her dog.
You can go hide.
Use it to choke her dog. Hey. Hi. Who's a good boy?
Hold on.
That was not good.
You're
Mason,
not
I
on.
can't see. Your armpit is big.
Is it hairy?
No.
Yes.
I mean, well, maybe a little bit.
You're not supposed to answer.
We're deleting that. Yes, we are. People think I'm weird.
Because you are.
Okay, hang on. Let's put
I'm
this
pretty
on.
sure they already feel weird.
Look at that.
You stand back. Let me go. Hang on. Stop.
But I
Nope. Stop.
got it.
I know you have it, but these come apart and fall apart. You don't do it right, okay? So.
I already have done it before.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so Maddox, come hold this bottom end for me, please. Like, it's gonna be heavy.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. It's not even.
Really?
Wow.
Could have done that.
Yeah, but I want to do it like this so all this doesn't fall out. Because all
You
this.
told me that.
Oh, look at this. You know what that is?
No.
It's a magnet. It goes right here. What do you think it's for?
Catching all the
Shards.
Yeah, as parts wear, they make metal shavings, and the metal shavings get in the bearing to make the bearing go bad. So you put a magnet in there. So
Why is it on there?
Well, because we've been flopping it around and it fell out. Okay, this chain looks good. We don't need to buy a new chain.
Yep.
That's
Macy,
amazing.
can you please? Someone's replace it.
That's a big chain.
Can you please clean that?
I'm used
Even
to
still.
bike chains.
Yeah.
No,
Who
this has
knows when
been
it was replaced?
this has been rebuilt, so I'm actually really happy about that. So now we're gonna lay it down. But we know we have some bearings that are bad, right? So we know we need to do a rebuild.
Those ones are greener.
Well, so here's another thing that wears out is these. See this plastic pad?
Yeah.
Those are a wear item. They will go back. This is actually in really nice shape. I'm really surprised. So these will disintegrate and like fall apart, and you'll find them at the bottom. There should be 3. Should be one right here, and one right here. They actually look really nice. Okay. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. I think we just need bearings and seals. Chain is good. The wear plates are good. It's actually in really nice shape.
That's good. Really good.
Yeah.
Don't have to replace too much.
Yeah, I need it right.
I need another one.
I'm not that dirty right now, but I'm still gonna get it done.
There you go, Macy. Now let's see if I can figure out how to get this all apart. I've never taken a 207 apart. 209s, 242s, 231s. My first 207.
It's a brand new experience.
Okay, so here's something for you, bud. So the shift link just goes here, okay? That's when you pull the lever, the four-wheel drive lever, that turns this.
Oh.
Okay? So watch the insides. Watch here and here when I do that.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah, they like contract. This twists these two, and they can contract.
So it moves this ring up and down because of this right here.
Yeah.
This groove moves this shift fork up and down, which moves this ring up and
I
down.
don't know if you can clean that all the way.
See that?
Yeah.
So, our project this afternoon, the transfer case. Macy and Maddox, or Oompa Loompa, as he refers to himself in his blue zoot suit, worked on this with Dan.
Yeah. Bearings and seals. Everything else is fine. Someone's had this part rebuilt it, so chain's good, wear plates are good. Bearings and seals, we're ready to go. Good.
Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate the coffees. I've been working really hard for this with this Jeep and all the things. The coffee fund link is in the description below. Thank you.